What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Lexus RC 350 remote key fob. This Lexus RC 350 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the side of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this little notch, this little slot right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. And if you notice, the end of this key has a little bit of a lip on it. So what I'm going to do is take my key and push it in that notch. Make sure it's all the way pushed in as far as you can. Then I'm just going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock. And as I do that, you can see it splits the key fob case apart. Let's go ahead and pull the two halves apart, and we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab the key and use the end of it to get under the edge of this battery and pop it out of that holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first, like that, and then snap it down into place. Now if your circuit board is moved around as mine has, make sure it's sitting down in that clear rubber piece where it needs to be. Once we have everything situated, we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.